Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to recover Snapchat account. First up, you're going to want to open up your favorite browser. For example, here I have Brave. I'm going to tap on it. Now in here in the URL box, I'm just going to type in support.snapchat.com. Once done, just hit on enter. Now this page will pop up. What we're going to do next is go ahead and scroll down a bit until we find the option called I can't access my account. Just tap on it. Now in here, you're going to want to scroll down again and select your reason. All right. For example, I forgot my password. All right. I forgot or can't access my email or phone number. Let's go ahead and just tap on a reason. All right. Now it says here, if you have access to either your email or phone number, you can reset your password using one or the other. All right. You can just go ahead and tap on this hyperlink right here and you will be redirected to another page. But if you lost access to both, just go ahead and scroll down. All right, until you find this section. Was this article helpful? Just hit on no. Now you would want to tap on this reset your password hyperlink right here. Tap on it. Now, if you can't see submit a request right here, just go ahead and tap on the three horizontal lines right here at the top left. Tap on it. In here, go ahead and tap on Snapchat support again. Now you would want to scroll all the way down until you find this section. Need to get in touch. Just tap on contact us. All right, and again, do the same process. I can't access my account. And here I forgot my password. Tap on that and scroll all the way down until you find the username, email address right here. Just type in the username. All right, now in here in the email address, you would want to type in an email address that you're currently using or an email that you have access, all right? As Snapchat will send the instructions on that particular email. All right, just go ahead and scroll all the way down again until you find a mobile number. Just go ahead and type in your mobile number right here. If you don't know what number is associated to your Snapchat account, just go ahead and enter your current mobile phone number right here so that Snapchat again will reach you out to that number. Now in here, you can go ahead and type in your concern. Say for example, hi, Snapchat team support. I'm having a problem logging into my account as I don't remember my credentials. All right, just go ahead and type in your reasons. And once done, just hit on submit. Once you hit on submit, just wait about 24 to 48 hours for Snapchat support to get back to you via the email and phone number that you just sent them. All right, from there, you'll be able to follow their instructions on how to recover your Snapchat account. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.